What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to use ChatGPT without more phone number. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first, there's two ways to do this one. There's a free method and there's a paid method. So this one is the paid method. Just go to this website, SMS Activate. It gives you a temporary phone number for any apps that you want to sign up. So for example, there's a search bar right here. Just search open and AI. So if you're trying to use a phone number, just click that. And you don't have phone number, you can buy a temporary phone number here. So first, you need to log in. So you can also choose what country or what country of the phone number you like, and that's it. And another one, this is a free. Just search on Google SMS temporary phone number or whatever. Just search SMS temporary. No, not India. Wait, just it. And just scroll down and go to this website. Receive SMS online. Just go to this website, and now there's a list of phone numbers, temporary phone numbers that you can use with different countries or different regions. So just try and use one, and if it doesn't work, just try again. Just use another one until you find the right one for your account. And that's it. That's how you're going to do it. That's how you use ChatGPT for free. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.